Underwater scenes can feel magical when the textures of coral, water, and marine life appear clear and crisp. Today, how to create crisp underwater scenes. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a 3800 by 2500 pixel canvas at 300 dpi. Import your underwater photograph and duplicate the background layer immediately. Open the Camera Raw filter and adjust the white balance slightly toward warmer tones to correct the blue cast. Increase clarity, texture, and dehaze gently to reveal details hidden in the water. Duplicate the layer again and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a